For the logo project, a lot of you guys are on your way, and you've done all the math by hand, and now really the fun part gets to start is when you start building this digitally with the computer. There's a couple programs you can use. All of you, if you have access to the internet, can use a program called Desmos. It's a free online graphing calculator. It's awesome. It works really well. I highly recommend it. What I'm just going to show you right now is how to insert the domain, restrict your domain on a function. It's pretty simple. If you look at maybe this yellow line here, if we highlight it, the domain you're going to use brackets. You use brackets around the whole entire expression. But the domain will go at the beginning, and it will be written in inequality notation, not an interval. So for this line, it's 4 to 6, and then you separate it by a colon, and then after the colon, you will write your function. So if you look at this, the line we're looking at is this yellow line. You can tell that this is on the interval from 4 to 6. If we were to write it in interval notation, we're just typing it in a different way. And then you have the equation of the line there. It's linear. You'll notice you don't need to write y equals. So it's the same like this for all the rest of these functions. Domain first, separated by a colon, and then the equation. If you don't want to use Desmos and you have an Apple, how I built my logo was using Grapher, and how you find Grapher is you will actually go up to your Spotlight, and you can type in Grapher, and every Apple has it already pre-installed. But the domain's written on this kind of a similar way, except a little bit different. So for this, you're going to have y equals, so when you create a new equation, I'll say y equals, and then what you'll need to do is you'll need to type in your domain, but it's a little bit different. You'll end up using this notation. So for this line, for example, let me unselect all of these. We'll just look at the top. Actually, yeah, this is just that one little curve right here. We are looking on the domain from -8, x is greater than -8, to -4. And I'll write that interval notation in so you can see it. So this is on the domain -8, comma -4. And you can see that written here with the domain, but the order is a little bit different. You can see that you use the and symbol here, and then the equation, instead of being separated by a colon, it's separated by a question mark. Hope this helps. If you have any other questions, let me know. If not, good luck, and we'll start building this more next week.